What up, y'all? We are in Kingston, Jamaica, and we're here to showcase some of the talent and the beauty of the country. We decided to take a trip to Port Antonio. Port Antonio is located on the eastern side of Jamaica. It's known for its tropical climate and beautiful scenery. Take a look at some of these pictures. Port Antonio is where the jerk was created. So whenever you go to Jamaica, you have to go to Boston. They have the best jerk chicken and jerk pork in the world. After a couple of stops, we decided to jump back on the road to head to our final destination. Jamaica is known for some of the most talented people in the world, from sports to entertainment. But today, we're going to cover the culinary side. We are at the 2019 Taste of Jamaica competition, and this was created to discover new talents and to show the depth of the food culture. We had the opportunity to talk to some of the competitors so they could give us some insights on what they were doing.
Hello everyone, my name is Gavin Riley. I represent Iberia Star Hotel, and behind me here you have my chocolate and sugar showpiece. It's made of strictly sugar and chocolate, so it's all edible. Come have a look and see what we have here. So as you can see now, we have a guitar. It's 100% chocolate. The picture frame is also edible. It's 100% chocolate. The board and the stand is also chocolate, all edible. And for example, the figure, the chef, the pan chicken, everything else is sugar, so it's all edible.
Hi, my name is Michael Ellis and I'm representing the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, and this is my showpiece, Jamaica Land We Love. It's from our tradition. We have our ackee that we're growing in Jamaica, and Jamaica is coming from a very far place where we transform, so have the transformation here. It's like from a caterpillar to a butterfly on it, and we have one of our long legendary poet, Miss Lou, representing also, so it's all in one, so it gives you a whole idea of what's happening. Thanks.
My name is Chanel Yufa. I'm from the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Here we have my showpiece. It's made out of sugar. Everything is edible. The name of my showpiece is actually Land of Wood and Water. And it's showing the tree and the stream. It also has a Jamaica flag and the bandana under. Right? So knowing that Miss Lou came from Jamaica, we use Miss Lou in the leaves, showing that she originated from Jamaica. So that's basically my showpiece. Okay.
As we made our way through the event, we stumbled on another competition. Each competitor had to decorate their cakes with local influences. Thank you for watching the first part of a two-part series. And remember to like, subscribe, and share so you can get notification as we upload the part 2 of the Taste of Jamaica 2019.
This is Taki High School and Big Up Pastry Bear TV.